Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming compatibility and grabbing the right adapter or dongle. Plug the adapter into your phone and connect an HDMI cable to the projector. This gives the most reliable mirror. If you choose wireless, enable the projector's screen mirroring mode and make sure your phone and projector share a network. Once done, accept any trust or pairing prompts on your phone. This establishes the secure link so the image can stream without lag or permission blocks. Now you fine-tune what appears on screen. Select the projector's input and then on your phone open the casting or AirPlay menu and pick the projector device. You should see your home screen or app appear. If not, reconnect and check permissions. Next, adjust resolution, orientation, and app playback settings so text and video fill the frame without cropping. Make sure sound routing is set to the projector or external speaker, because video with no audio is frustrating for viewers. To complete setup, tidy cables and launch your presentation or media in full screen so controls don't distract. Lock orientation and disable notifications to avoid interruptions, and preview one slide or clip to confirm timing and audio sync. If playback stutters or the screen doesn't appear, reboot the phone and projector first. This clears handshake issues. If problems persist, swap cables or adapters and test another input. Often a faulty cable or incompatible adapter is the real culprit, so replace and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.